Patricio T.M. Marion S., son of Mr. and Mrs. Marlon Richu. Ambition to be an astronaut. Jimenez Jared James E., son of Mr. and Mrs. Eric Jimenez. His dream is to be an engineer. Lebico Paul John, son of Miss Margie Lebico. His dream is to be a Taurus guide. Pistanio na Buenchi F., son of Mr. and Mrs. Nathaniel Pistanio. His dream is to be a doctor someday. Progila Brandon James C., son of Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Progila. His dream is to be a lawyer. Samson Melvin B., son of Mrs. Melvin.
Pilit na. Balik, walking in 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, balik pa yun. In 1 and 2 and